Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe our channel and share this video to your friends.
You start dying slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself, at least once in your lifetime, to run away from sensible advice. Pablo Neruda.
My English course book, Standard 10, 2.1, You Start Dying Slowly. Appreciation of a poem. Write an appreciation of a poem according to the following points. 10 marks. Title. The title of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. Author. The author of the poem is Pablo Neruda. Rhyme scheme. In this poem, there are no rhymes. It is a free-verse poem. Figure of speech. The figure of speech in the poem are alliteration. If you do not appreciate yourself. Repetition. You start dying slowly. Metaphor. If you do not listen to the sounds of life. Certain. Theme or central idea. The central idea of this poem is if we do not accept the changes of our life, then we will lose the hope of happy future life. We should be enjoy each and every moment of our life and ready to face challenges, difficulties and take risks in our life. The poem is about how we losing our hope of a happy future. There is a way introducing the poem.